Hello students, now I am going to explain intermediate maths to be circles children. So next normal. The normal at any point P of the circle is a line which passes through P and is perpendicular to tangent at P children. So draw x-axis, y-axis children intersecting at O. Draw a circle children. This is a normal passing through point P and it is a tangent. So if they are intersecting means it is coming like a perpendicular children. So that only I have written. Therefore the note the equation of tangent at point P x1 comma y1 to the circle S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0, that is x1 plus y1 plus g of x1 x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0 children. Next, the equation of tangent at point P x1 comma y1 to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square is x1 plus y1 minus r square equal to 0 children. The equation of normal at point P x1 comma y1 of the circle S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0 is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equals to 0 children. The equation of normal to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square at P x1 comma y1 is x y1 minus y x1 is equal to 0 children. So these are the some formulas you should remember carefully children. So to solve the problems in exercise 1c. Next children, this is also one of the important formula children. If r is radius of the circle, then line which is at distance d from center of circle cuts a chord and intercept of length means length of chord is given, means this is the formula children, 2 into under root r square minus d square. So this is the diagram structure children. Length of chord formula is 2 into under root r square minus d square children. Next, condition for a line to be tangent children. So a straight line y is equals to mx plus c first meets the circle x square plus y square equal to r square into two distinct points. Meets means intersecting. Two distinct points if c square by 1 plus m square less than r square children. Next, touches the circle x square plus y square equal to r square if c square by 1 plus m square equal to r square. So here see 2 points means like this children, intersecting at 2 points. Next, touching the circle means here touching at 1 point. Has no points in common with the circle x square plus y square equal to r square if c square by 1 plus m square greater than r square children. So here not touching, so line is not touching the circle or neither it is intersecting. Proof children. Let p of x comma y be common point to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, equation 1, and the line y is equals to mx plus c, and the line y is equals to mx plus c children. Equation 2. Eliminating y from 1 comma 2 children we will get. So substitute y value in equation 1. That's it. So it becomes x square plus mx plus c whole square equal to r square children. So here I wrote x square as it is. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square children, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is mx children, b value is c. Means mx whole square plus 2 into mx into c plus c square minus r square. Why? Because plus will become minus. So here x square plus m square x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus r square equal to 0 children. In first two terms take x square common, so you will get 1 plus m square. So the roots of equation 3, quadratic equation 3, are real and distinct, comma, coincident or imaginary. If its determinant delta greater than 0 means it is real and distinct. Next, delta is equal to 0 means coincident. Imaginary means delta less than 0. So if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then delta is equal to b square minus 4ac children. In 10th standard you have studied these formulas. Here a is equal to 1 plus m square children, b is equal to 2mc, c is equal to c square minus r square children. So b square minus 4ac means 2mc square minus 4 into a value is 1 plus m square, c value is c square minus r square. So here 2 square is 4 children, m square c square minus 4 right as it is. So first term is to this total term plus m square into this total term children. So 1 into something is that one itself, c square minus r square plus m square into c square, plus into minus is minus m square into r square children. So now send minus 4 inside children, minus into plus minus, so minus 4 c square, minus into minus plus 4 r square, minus into plus minus 4 m square c square, minus into minus plus 4 m square r square. So minus 4 m square c square plus 4 m square c square cancel children. So delta is equal to positive 4 r square plus 4 m square r square minus 4 c square. So in first two terms you can take r square common children. So it becomes 4 r square common, it becomes 1 plus m square minus, I wrote third term as it is. So in the entire equation you can take 4 common children. So it becomes r square into 1 plus m square minus c square. Case 1 children, if the line meets the circle in two distinct points delta greater than 0, then so this delta greater than means consider this condition greater than 0. Send 4 that's a children, it will become division 0 by 4 0. Send this minus c square, that's it, plus will be, minus will become plus, 0 plus c square is c square. So if it is changing the sign, greater than become less than means it will come minus children, less than minus r square into 1 plus m square, minus minus cancel means this step it will come children. So send this value this side children, multiplication will come division, c square by 1 plus m square less than r square. Next case 2 children, if the line touches the circle delta is equal to 0, then 4 into this value is equal to 0 children. Now send 4 that's a children, 0 by 4 0. Send minus c square that's a children, it will become plus. So this is nothing but send this value that's a children, multiplication will become division, r square equal to c square by 1 plus m square. This is nothing but c square by 1 plus m square equal to r square. Case 3 children, if the line has no points in common with the circle, then delta less than 0 children, then 4 into r square into 1 plus m square minus c square less than 0 children. Send 4 that's it, multiplication will become division children, 0 by 4 is 0, same, send minus that's it, it will become plus. So send this value that's it children, multiplication will become division. So if you are changing sign it will become minus children. So minus c square by 1 plus m square greater than minus r square, minus minus cancel means this is the step. So this completes your theorem children. Next example problem in your textbook is given like this children, based on theorem. If the line x plus y plus k equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0, then find the values of k. So given circle is this one children, comparing above equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2g value is minus 3 children, 2f value is 7, c is equal to 14. Send 2 that's a children, multiplication division, here also multiplication will come division. So first find the radius children according to formula. Radius formula is under root g square plus h square minus c children. So g value is how much, minus 3 by 2, f value is 7 by 2, c value is 14 children, from where I wrote from equation number 1. So minus 3 by 2 is nothing but whole square nothing but 9 by 4, 7 by 2 whole square nothing but 49 by 4. I wrote this value as it is. First two are like fractions children, we can add numerators, 9 plus 49 is 58, 58 by 4 is nothing but 2 to the 4, 2 9 the 18, means 29 by 2 children. So write 29 as it is, minus 14 as it is, replace these 2 here children by 2, why, because LCM is 2. So 29 minus 14 to the 28, 29 minus 28 is 1 children. So apply root separately, root 1 by root 2, root 1 is nothing but 1, 1 by root 2, equation number 2 children. So next given line x plus y plus k is equal to 0 children. So send this x value, k value that side. So y is equal to 0 minus x minus k, that nothing but y is equal to minus x minus k, minus x minus k children. So comparing above line with y equal to mx plus c children. So here m value means quotient of x children, how much, minus 1, and c value how much children, minus k, equation number 3. Since the line touches the circle is given children, touches means case 2, touches means case 2 condition is what children, c square by 1 plus m square equal to r square. So c value how much children we got, minus k square by 1 plus m value is minus 1 square equal to r square. R value how much we got, 1 by root 2 whole square. From where I wrote children? From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. So here minus k square means k square plus 1 equal to 1 square by root 2 square. Square root cancel children. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Here also 2. Here 2 to cancel children. K square equal to 1. Sin square, that's it. It will become plus or minus root 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1 children. Therefore k value is plus or minus 1. Next note children. A straight line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to a circle x square plus y square equal to r square if c square equal to r square into 1 plus m square, or c is equal to, send the square that side, plus or minus r into under root 1 plus m square. Next, the straight line y is equal to mx plus or minus r into under root 1 plus m square are tangents to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, where m is the slope of tangent children. Next, the condition that the straight line y is equal to mx plus c touches the circle x square plus y square equal to r square is that perpendicular distance from center of circle to the line is equals to radius children. That is, perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to y is equal to mx plus c is modulus c by under root 1 plus m square. So this is nothing but well known formula from your straight line children whenever origin is given. Next, based on that, we will do one problem children, example problem. So if s is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0 represent a circle, then show that the straight line lx plus my plus n equal to 0 touches the circle if g square plus f square minus c is equal to gl plus mf minus n whole square by l square plus m square children. Let us assume c minus g comma minus f be center and radius under root g square plus f square minus c be the radius of circle. So perpendicular distance from point is formula we know children, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So the given straight line touches the circle if radius r is equals to, so here a value how much children, l, b value m, c value n, x1 is minus g, y1 is minus f. So a means l, x1 means minus g plus b value is m, y1 value is minus f plus c value is n children by under root l square plus m square. So here take minus common children, so lg plus mf minus n by under root l square plus m square. So do squaring on both sides, so square root cancel, here also square root cancel children. So it becomes g square plus f square minus c equal to gl plus mf minus n whole square by under root l square plus m square. So this minus will become plus children. Why? Because minus 1 square is nothing but 1. So in this way you should do the problem children. Next, remember the note children. If s is equal to 0 represent the circle, the straight line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 means the circle s is equal to 0 in 2 points if g square plus f square minus c greater than gl plus mf minus n whole square by l square plus m square children, and will not meet the circle if g square plus f square minus c less than gl plus mf minus n whole square by l square plus m square. So these are the key points you should remember children, not only for IPE, for IIT JEE or MSET. You are preparing means you should remember each and every concept children. Next, based on this, we'll do some problems children. So this is an example problem children. Find the equation of circles which touches 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 at 1 comma 1 and having radius root 13. So this is very important 7 marks question children. So here the center A and B lies on the line perpendicular to 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 children. Why? Because is given find the equation of circle which touches at 1 comma 1 and having radius is given children. These are the two circles I have drawn children, A and B, and here P children. Here to here radius is same, here to here radius is same children. So this is a line touching the circles 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So the center A and B lies on the line lies on the line. Centers A and B lies on the line perpendicular to 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, children. So equation of line AB is, so perpendicular condition is given means you know from straight lines, children, you should write simply bx plus ay plus k is equal to 0, children. Here b value is how much, children? 3. 3x plus a value is 2, children. 2y plus k is equal to 0. So consider equation 1. This is equation 1, children. Passing through 1 comma 1, then here xy 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus k is equal to 0, children. 3 1 the 3, 2 1 the 2. 3 plus 2 how much, children? 5. Since 5 the children, plus will become minus. So 0 minus 5 is minus 5, children. Substitute k is equal to minus 5 in equation number 1. It becomes, we get equation of line AB is 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, children. Therefore the centers are in polar form, children. x1 plus or minus r cos theta, comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Next, according to your straight lines, normal form of 2x minus 3y plus 1 given line, children. Normal form of 2x minus 3y plus 1 is minus a by under root a square plus b square into x plus minus b by under root a square plus b square into y is equal to c by under root a square plus b square, children. So here a value is 2, children, b value is minus 3, children. So minus 2 by 2 square plus minus 3 square into x plus b value minus already there, children. So b value minus 3 by under root 2 square plus minus 3 square into y equal to c value 1, children. 1 by under root 2 square plus minus 3 square. So numerator I wrote as it is, 2 square is 4 plus 9. So here minus into minus plus, denominator same, children. Here also same. So 4 plus 9 is 13, children. 4 plus 9 13, 4 plus 9 13. So here x into minus 2 by root 13 plus y into 3 by root 13 is equal to 1 by root 13, children. So this is in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to b, children. So cos alpha value is minus 2 by root 13. Sin alpha value is 3 by root 13, children. P value is 1 by root 13. So that only I have written, children. Therefore the parametric points on the straight lines C1 C2 which are at distance of how many units are given, children? Root 13 from a point P 1 comma 1 R. This is a formula, children. H is equals to x1 plus or minus r cos alpha, k is equals to y1 plus or minus r sin alpha. So x1 value is how much, children? 1 plus or minus radius is given how much, children? Root 13. Cos alpha we got minus 2 by root 13. K is equals to y1 value is 1, children, plus or minus radius is root 13. Sin alpha value is 3 by root 13 from equation 3. Root 13 cancel, children, here. So here 1 plus or minus minus 2 comma k is equals to 1 plus or minus 3, children. So h comma 3, if you take first condition 1 minus 2 comma 1 plus 3. Second condition 1 minus of minus 2 comma 1 minus 3. So here 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, children. So here 1 minus of minus plus, children. So 1 plus 2 is 3, children. Next 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So these are the two centers we got, children. Centers of circle C1 is minus 1 comma 4 and C2 is 3 comma minus 2. So the equation of circle having center, first center C1 minus 1 comma k and radius r equal to root 13 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, children. So here h value is minus 1, k value is 4, children. Replace that. So x minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus k, y minus 4 whole square equal to root 13 square, children. Square root cancel. So here minus into minus plus. So here apply a plus b whole square, children. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a value is x, b value is 1, children. Here apply a minus b whole square, means a square plus b square minus 2ab, means a value y, b value 4. So in this 13, this side, children, plus will become minus. So here x square plus 1 square plus 2x plus y square, 4 square is 16, 2 4 the 8y minus 13 equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus constant writes one term, one side. 1 plus 16 minus 13, children. So 16 minus 13 how much, children? 3. 3 plus 1 4. So this is one of the equation of circle, children. Next, the equation of circle having center C2 3 comma minus 2 and radius root 13 is same formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, children. So here h value 3, k value minus 2. So here I have written like that only, square root cancel. Here a minus b whole square formula children, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a value x, b value 3. Here apply minus into minus plus children. So here x square plus 3 square is 9 children, 2 3 are 6. Here apply a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a value is y, b value is 2. So in this 13 this side plus will become minus. So I wrote first 4 terms as it is children. Here 2 square 4, here 2 to the 4 children, 4y minus 13. So now write separately children, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus constants 9 plus 4 minus 13. 9 plus 4 how much? 13. 13 minus 13 how much children? 0. So what are the remaining terms? First 4 terms as it is. So which is the required equation of circle? Hence what are the required circle children? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y equal to 0 are the required circles children. Next example children, it is also very important 7 marks question. Show that the line 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0 touches the circle is given children. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 children. So comparing above equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2g value is minus 6 children, 2f value is 4, c value is 12. Send 2 that's it children, division 2 1 the 2 3 the 2 1 the 2 2 the. So this is the values of g, f, c we got children. Center formula is minus g comma minus f. So here minus will become plus, plus will become minus. 3 comma minus 2 is the center. So find radius children. Under root g square plus f square minus c. Why? Because he is asking to show that the line touches the circle, means we have to prove radius is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line, means r equal to d we have to prove. So that's why I am finding radius children. So under root 3 g value is minus 3 plus f value is 2 minus c value is 12 from 1 I wrote. So minus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 9 plus 4 13, 13 minus 12 is 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1 children, equation number 2. Next let us consider, so this is a diagram children, circle and tangent. So here from c to p perpendicular distance. So d is equals to perpendicular distance from center 3 comma 2 3 comma minus 2 to the line 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. So same formula children, here a value is how much children? So this is the formula, modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square children. Here a value is 5, b value is 12, c value is minus 4. x1 by 1 means 5 into 3 plus 12 into minus 2 plus of minus 4 by under root 5 square plus 12 square children. 5 3 the 15 plus into minus minus 12 to the 24 plus into minus minus 4. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. So here, so 15 minus 24 is how much children? 15 minus 24 is minus 9 children. Minus 4 I wrote as it is by 169. So minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. Square root of 169 is 13 children. So modulus of negative is positive. 13 by 13 is 1 children. So from equation number 2 and 3 what we got children? Both answers we got same, 1 only. So r equal to d. Therefore the circle touches the line 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is one of the important 4 marks question children, as well as in sometimes 7 marks also it is coming. Next children, next parametric form of a tangent children. So these are the 4 conditions we are having. If theta 1 is equals to minus g plus r cos theta 1 comma minus f plus r sin theta 1 and theta 2 is equals to minus g plus r cos theta 2 comma minus f plus r sin theta 2 are 2 points on circle, then the equation of chord joining these points is x plus g into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y plus f into sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equals to r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. Next, equation of tangent at theta of the circle. Equation of tangent in parametric form is, this is equation of secant in parametric form. Whenever this type of circle equation is given. So equation of tangent is given by x plus g into cos theta plus y plus f into sin theta equal to r, where r is radius of circle. So whenever circle equation is in this style, x square plus y square equal to r square, equation of tangent in polar form, parametric form is at equation of tangent at theta is given by x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to r. Next, for the circle, x square plus y square equal to r square, equation of chord joining the points theta 1 and theta 2 is x cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. So whenever equation of chord is given in the circle equation, means you have to find using this formula. Is it clear, children? So based on this we are having problems, children. So we will see. So the parametric value of 2 points A and B lying on circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 are 30 degrees and 60 degrees, children. Then find equation of chord joining A and B. So given circle is this one, children. Comparing above equation with this one, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0. 2g value is minus 6, 2f is 4, c is minus 12. So send to that side, multiplication and division means directly you can write minus 3y because 2 3 are 2 2 are. So given parametric values of s equal to 0 is theta 1 is 30, theta 2 is 60. So is asking to find equation of chord. So equation of chord in this format is which one, children? First one, x plus g cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y plus f into sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, children. Equation number 3. So here we have to find radius, children. Why? Because r is there na, r is there na. So radius formula is under root g square plus f square minus c, children. So g value is minus 3, f value is 2 and c value is minus 12, children. Minus 3 square 9, 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus. So 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. Root 25 means 5, children. Next, substitute equation 1 comma 2 comma 4 in equation 3, children. x1 in this formula. So you will get x1 x plus g value is minus 3, children, cos theta 1 is 30, theta 2 is 60 by 2 plus y plus f value is 2, children, sin 30 plus 60 by 2 is equals to r value how much we got, children? 5 cos 30 minus 60 by 2, children. So I have written, so 30 plus 60 is 90, 90 by 2 is 45. Next I have written this value as it is, children. So why I have written here minus here plus 2 means here minus 5 we got, here plus into minus is minus 3, here plus only directly there, children. Here g value negative there, that's why here plus into minus minus I wrote. So here 30 plus 60 is 90, 90 by 2 is 45. So here also 90 by 2 is 45. So here 30 minus 60 is minus 30, children. So cos of minus theta is cos theta, children, according to your trigonometry knowledge in 1A mathematics. So cos 45 is how much, children? 1 by root 2. Sin 45 also 1 by root 2 is equal to 5 cos 15. So again cos 15 value also there in your trigonometry, children. What is that? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So here 5 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, children. Root 2 cancel. Bring this to here, children. Bring this to this side. So division will come, multiplication 2 into x minus 3 plus y plus 2 equal to 5 root 3. Send 5 inside. 5 root 3 plus 5 on the 5. So now send 2 inside, children. 2 into x 2x minus 2 3 are 6 plus 2 into y 2y plus 2 to the 4. Send this value here. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So 2x plus 2y. Write the constant, children. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 5 and write root value separately. Minus 5 root 3. So here minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2, children. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So plus into minus minus. That's why minus 7. So 2x plus 2y minus 7 minus 5 root 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the chord, children. Is it clear?